raining. I love those. I told you everything was going to be okay.
Whoa. Alright, that one.
Yeah.
Those seem a little big.
These are professional grade fireworks.
Clearly. These are made to blow up cities.
Wait until they're You idiots, stop and watch.
It's a bigger one from my perspective.
You know, I just thought about that. It's probably not lightning you're seeing over there. You know that?
No, it's lightning.
Well, some of it is. A lot of it's Stigler, too. They're doing theirs right now.
That's what makes it cooler, though. The lightning kind of makes it cooler.
They usually don't have them at the same time, but the 4th.
That's gonna be a big one. Come on, big. Some of these could go wrong. So.
There we go.
Here's something squeaky. Really?
Somebody else's kids.
What are we doing?
Shut the heck up, man.
Oh, this is open.
That was a little low.
There we go.
Yep. I didn't have to get onto them.
They were in there, weren't they?
Well, these high school kids are actually cool.
I love those.
Wait, watch it.
I think those need something else.
I think I'm gonna end it right here.